back to the Red State channel, folks. Today we'll be doing the first how to golf video tutorial. We'll be showing you how to remove the fuse box from your MK2 Golfs. The fuse box is found underneath the steering wheel on the right hand side. Firstly, remove the trim piece with the handle groove in it as shown. This piece should just pull straight off to reveal the fuses. Once removed, the larger outer trim panel must also be removed to gain full access to the fuse box. This is held in place by 5 screws, 3 across the top and 1 on either side. The one on the left hand side is located under the VAG service panel, and the one on the right is located underneath to the right hand side of the fuse box. Once unscrewed, this panel should pull forward and drop out. A small third piece of trim on the left hand side of the fuse box should then pull out as well. Now all the trim has been removed, you'll have access to remove the white fuse box clips. The one on the left will pull out slightly and be able to slide round so the forked end is facing up. This will allow you to pull the clip down and off. The clip on the right doesn't need removing fully, just pull the clip down and slide towards yourself. This should free the metal black brackets. Now that the fuse box is unclipped, you'll be able to push the box up and pull it towards yourself to release it from the bracket. I find the best way to do this is to push up and release the left hand side first and then do the right. This should allow the fuse box to hang freely. If this video has been helpful, then subscribe to the Red State channel for more golf related content. Drop us a comment below if there's any how to golf videos that you want to see. Cheers for watching and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.